Alright, hi, I want to show you how to add contract address into your Trust wallet so that you can see the coin you just bought. So first thing first, you go to let's copy the contract address. Let's get a contract address now. Here's an example of a contract address. I'm trying to get one. Okay, let's use this to go to there. Now in this content, now this is the content address here, so you copy it. When you copy the content address, you go to this place up here. Now look at this place up here. This place I just circled red. You go to that place, you click on it, then you go down, you see a place called add custom token. You click on it and then you paste the contract address. Can't you see it has loaded? It will load the name of the token, the symbol and the decimals. Just paste the contract address and allow it to load. When you are done, just click done, and that's that. You've added the token. This is the token now, it's now there. So if you buy your token with, let's say for example now Uniswap and all that, that's how to manually add it. Well, normally it should reflect in the list of tokens you bought, but if it doesn't reflect, you can manually add the contract token just like I just showed you now, and it will appear, the token that you bought will appear. So that's simply how to add contract address to your Trust wallet.